bàbá Ijesha wọ́n ní kán jẹ ìkúrú ọ̀ràn kó tán lẹ̀, ìwọ tún gbọ́n ọwọ́ sáwo. Ṣé ẹ tí mọ nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ ọ̀ràn ni? Ṣé ò tí rí wàhálà pé tí wàhálà bá jókòó jẹ́jẹ́ kò yẹ kéèyàn tún lọ máa tọ̀? Apart from the fact wípé you are letting people push you, you are letting certain people push you, and they are pushing you well. First, they pushed you to let your name be on the list that you shouldn't be. Thankfully, maybe that list doesn't bother anybody. But going out there to say what you are saying, èmi ò rí kókó. I don't see why you are saying that. Because a lot of things were said that were not necessary. Wọ́n set ẹ up. Wọ́n ní tán bá tiẹ̀ set èèyàn up. Doctor set ẹ up. Is it too much kí wọ́n má fall fún trap? Kọ́ tiẹ̀ wá ní camera action. Kọ́ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀. Tán bá ti wá sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ tán. Àwọn tó fẹ́ nà èèyàn tán wá dé tán wá ṣe ní ṣé bá àwọn act ni, ṣé bí orí set láwà, ṣé bí kédekọ́. Gbogbo yẹn ò ṣẹlẹ̀ ńgbà yẹn. To even make matters worse, àwọn tó support yẹ, they supported you up until the last minute. They were like, it's a setup. But the judge and the court upheld the case against you. And you went to jail for it for 3 years. Are you trying to say pé wọ́n court parọ́? Àbí pé bóyá àwọn judges yẹn wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ wọn dáadáa? O kàn tún fẹ́ máa dáràn mọ́ràn. How wise are you? You have a chance to make things right by people, because Nigerians are very forgiving. Go and check out other people that tried what you did. Their videos are not even out. Nobody could see them molesting anybody. Like Bill Cosby, nobody could see that he molested anybody. But at the end of the day, where is he still now? He's still in jail. He's still not fine. Nobody wants to hear or do anything with him. But here you are. You are out already. 3 years done and dusted. And you have a chance at life. Instead of you to come with remorse, I did something bad. I should never have done it. I'm now an advocate. It was a moment of a fall. It was a moment of the devil manifesting himself. If you had done it like that, today, it would have been a different story. It would have been a different story. People will say, Dariji, film tó bá ṣe. But you were now looking for people to blame. How dare you look for people to blame after committing that? Ṣé tó bá ṣe ọmọ kankan nínú àwọn tó ń pariwo ẹ pé wọ́n set ẹ up ló mú ìka ẹ̀ tó ń mú bí lollipop yẹn. Inú wọn máa dùn. Kó tiẹ̀ ṣe pé ẹ̀ ń act náà. Kó ṣe pé ẹ̀ ń act náà tó bá ṣe ọmọ kan nínú wọn ni. Would they allow it? Wọ́n ní sọ pé àṣejù ti ń wọ̀ ọ́. And underage for that matter. Ta ló máa ń fi underage ṣerú fíìmù burúkú bẹ́ẹ̀? But you are still thinking you can only wiggle your way and still stand out as innocent? Ọlọ́run ló máa ń judge èèyàn innocent or guilty. If really you are innocent, why don't you wait and let God do his work? Must you be shouting around? Ibo wa láriwo ìjà ẹ̀ sí báyìí. Ibo láriwo ilé ìjà ẹ̀ sí báyìí, because at the end of the day, gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n tiẹ̀ wá sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ti wá ń sọ báyìí. The stories that people were not ready to present, people are now coming out. But people people are now telling the stories they kept. And there you are, being pushed by certain people. I want to push you guys in Nigeria. They put on my help way. I want to lawyer mẹ́ta wá báyìí. Kí ni kókó lawyer wọn nígbà tí adájọ́ dájọ́? You need to be wise. You need to be wise. You need to rebrand yourself, not create enemy. Ìyábọ̀ ò ṣe anything ju pé ó pariwo be any other person. Tara be a monta. Learn that and know that. Won't call the enemy. There are so many other people that did you wrong, not her.